So, what can you see over here? And uh, you can see two birds who are sitting together, and one is alone. And what you see over here, this one pair, and both of them are male. Two birds are male over here. Those are sitting together. But this one bird who is sitting alone, this bird is female. And I already have shared one story that one of them has flown today, unfortunately, and I'm so sorry for this region. And this two bird, those are male. They always just try to sit together. I cannot understand why they do that. But one thing here is this female one always just try to make a healthy relation between of them. But these two birds cannot receive that female bird's proposal, and that is why this male bird always is seen to sit or adore them together. And to me this is not right anymore, because this male bird should make a good relation with that female bird, because a pair only being the time when a male and female adore or love each other. But in my case, this is not uh, happened still now, and for this I'm really worried and tense with this kind of relation. I don't know what should I can do, and I think I should bring another one female bird, so that uh, in this case they can make two pairs. And one female bird is missing, and I'm so sorry and upset for this. And please pray for me, so that that female bird can come back to me, though this is an impossible wish. But if Almighty Allah want, everything will be possible. And I wish to my Almighty Allah, please make this bird come back to me, inshallah. I don't know what will be. And trust me, this type of birds cannot fly well. And I try to make them happy to get them out from their cage, but study being something different today, and that is why I lost one of them. And this bird is female bird, and this bird looks so pretty and beautiful. And that's all for today. I think I should let it know to you all. Thank you so much.